Incredible devastation brings an incredible response.
NBC2's Sean Martinelli shows us a couple's selfless decision to pay it forward in tonight's Story to Share.
Here at the Harbor Walk ice cream shop in Punta Gorda, owners Ron and Claudia Thomas have been in business 8 years. As of last week, they've also been married now for 10.
It was our 10th anniversary, and we were supposed to do this big trip that I want to do. It's 10 years, got to be memorable. I didn't know what we were going to do, but we had the time off.
That was the plan at least before Hurricane Michael arrived. The couple watched as Florida's Panhandle got battered.
It was such an extraordinary amount of devastation there. People's lives are completely disrupted. Ours were.
In Punta Gorda.
Ron's talking about Hurricane Charlie, which hit straight in the heart of Punta Gorda 14 years ago. He's never forgotten the helpers who showed up for him and his loved ones. So with time off and nowhere to go, the two saw this as a chance to be the helpers for someone else.
Doesn't sound like the most romantic anniversary idea.
Nah. Sorry. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
On Wednesday, October 17th, we are arriving into Bluntstown.
Ron and Claudia made it to the Panhandle and back in 2 days. After bringing $4,000 worth of donated supplies to charities in need, they celebrated their marriage with a simple night out.
We wanted to do something that was special, but it also was an opportunity for us to serve the community in that area as a couple. That's pretty special right there.
Just as strangers had done for them, this couple has now done for others. And in the process, Ron and Claudia found the celebration of love they'd been looking for all along. In Punta Gorda, Sean Martinelli, NBC2.
Well, I'll bet you another couple pays it forward after seeing that story.
We can only hope.
Absolutely.